Are you getting ready to sell your home? You may be wondering how to best market your home to attract qualified buyers and sell for top dollar. Hi, I'm Cami Hall with CamiHallRealEstate.com, powered by TCRE. Remember that buyers are more willing to pay top dollar for homes that are move-in ready. The hassle of moving is a task of its own, and generally home buyers don't want to do any repairs or make improvements to the home once they purchase it. They want the luxury of just moving in. So once you're done cleaning your house top to bottom, it's time to fix anything that needs to be repaired. But don't do any big renovation projects unless they are critical to your home's function and safety, because there is no guarantee that you will get a return on your investment. Here is a rule of thumb. Anything that is structure in nature or mechanical in nature should be fixed if you know that it's a defect. So for example, a heating system doesn't work as it should. You should get it repaired before it's listed. Your home selling success is important to me, and my goal is to help you use expert strategies that will help you market your home so it sells quickly and for top dollar. There are so many strategies to position your home for a successful sell. If you are thinking of selling, contact me today. And as always, I'm Cami Hall, making dreams reality one home at a time. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.